In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Interactive Broker's trade history. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable export of your trades that you can analyze, share with your accountant, or import into your own tracking tools. First, sign into the Interactive Broker's client portal using your regular credentials. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in, look to the top menu and open Performance and Reports. From there, choose Flex Queries. Flex Queries let you build a custom report layout once, and then run it anytime with new dates, perfect for consistent exports. On the Flex Queries page, find the Activity Flex Query section and click the plus icon to create a new query. Give your query a clear, memorable name, such as Trade History Export, so you can easily find it later. Next, you'll see the list of available sections. Select Trades as the core section for this report. If you also want related context, you can include sections like cash transactions or fees, but focus on trades as your primary data set. For each section you include, click Select All. This ensures you capture every available field: trade dates, symbols, quantities, prices, commissions, and more, so you don't miss details you might need later. It's usually easier to export everything and filter in your spreadsheet than to realize a key column was left out. When you're satisfied with your selections, save the query. Saving makes it reusable, so you won't have to rebuild it each time you need an export. Now head back to the Flex Queries page and click the Run button next to your new query. Choose the date range you want for this export. Keep in mind that Interactive Brokers limits each file to a maximum of 1 year, so if you need more than a year, plan to run multiple files by breaking the range into separate periods. Set your file type to either CSV or Excel. Choose CSV if you'll be importing into databases, third-party tools, or prefer a lightweight format. Choose Excel if you primarily work in spreadsheets and want a ready-to-open file. Both contain the same data, it's just about your workflow. Finally, click Run. Your file will generate and download to your browser's default downloads folder. Open it to confirm your columns are present and properly populated. From here, you can archive the file securely, rename it with the date range for clarity, and rerun the same query anytime with new dates for consistent, reliable trade history exports.